I'm gonna be baking and making some truffles. They're not gonna be like the Oreo truffles where you use Oreos. I'm gonna be using a cake and it's gonna turn out amazing, trust me. First you have to bake the cake. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And I'll be answering questions that you guys sent on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to be a part of these Q&As and random stuff I do. Oh. A super moist chocolate fudge cake mix. Yummy. So one. No, I think I'll be just smarter to bring this with me. And 1/2 vegetable oil. Been doing a lot of baking and cooking. If you watch my Instagram stories, comment down below your favorite recipe and if you want me to try it, like food, and I'll try to make it. I have all the questions on my phone here from Instagram, so follow me on Instagram so you can be a part of this. Someone asked me if I have any new projects. I have my presets that are live. They're gonna go live on Etsy actually.
So I'm actually releasing presets and I actually haven't talked about it on my YouTube channel, but if you do follow me on my Instagram, you've heard about it and seen it all over my page. But they'll be dropping next week on July 21st. Be sure to shop. I'll post a video next week talking all about my presets. So follow me on my Instagram and my preset Instagram to know what's going on and when they're dropping and all the details. I'm so excited for you guys to see this.
So yeah, that's cool. Follow my preset account because I've been posting a lot on there about like presets, and there'll be giveaways and just a lot of cool stuff. I've made 3 packs so far. There's the clean pack, the on film pack, and the everyday pack. And I've been using them on all my pictures recently, so I'm really excited. That's what's new. My skincare routine, my skin right now is, I mean, it's fine. There's just a pimple right there, but I took it away with ice. But I've been using CeraVe foaming cleanser and then this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I've been watching Skincare by Hiram and I want to get everything. My sister has all that stuff, but she doesn't share, so I have to get my own. Someone asked, what made you want to start YouTube? Bethany Moda. I was obsessed with her. I don't know where she went though. It's sad. And then also I just like making videos. Me and my friends used to make all these fun videos and never post them anywhere, but some of them are actually posted on YouTube, but they're private. Those are really embarrassing, but that's why I started YouTube. Someone asked, Pepsi or Coke? Coke. Duh. How many languages do you know? Languages do I know? English, Urdu and Hindi, which is technically the same thing, but we're just gonna count it separately. And then I can read Arabic. I don't understand it, but I can read it. What am I majoring in? I'm majoring in business entrepreneurship, but I'm gonna go into management. Okay, I think this is good. Also, I started watching New Girl. It's so freaking good. I love it. And as for freshman advice, I say join a lot of clubs, be a part of things. Woo. There's a bug. Oh my god, there's a bug. Now we have to wait 30 freaking minutes, so I'll answer the rest of my questions, I guess. Someone asked, where is the first place you'd travel to, not concerning money? Italy, period. Italy. How Indian are you on a scale of 1 to 10? Probably the middle. Not too Indian, not too whitewashed. That's me. Okay guys, the cake is done.
That was from before. With the tripod.
Why are you so tall?
Ready, you go. Okay, okay, spray, okay.
Anyways, we're gonna let the cake cool, and then I have my cheese cream. I don't have frosting, so I'm not gonna use that. But wait, cheese cream or cream cheese? Cream cheese. Cheese cream.
Cheese cream.
Where's the angle? Okay, shut up. Okay, wait, come here then.
There's so much space like around the thing.
12.
You're 19. That's just sad on so many levels.
Hey guys, get your big head out of the view. Run, you get out.
Imagine if you didn't do the D7X. Can't believe I wanted you. I'm doing it. I need 14 Can you get our sour shot? She needs to earn something. Ah, why would you do that?
Bro, stop moving that around.
You quit pushing me around. Who the heck do you think you are?
Ah!
Oh, I push it and hit the Cut it. Why'd you hit me then?
Bro, shut up.
Why are my sunglasses inside?
I'm cool.
कौन सा खोला है? ये दोनों खोल दिया है?
Just open both of
कम है
them.
उसमें.
No, do clear up. You make so many.
Bro, don't put all of it.
Sorry, it'll process together. What? Yeah, you can want cake.
Use more cake? Are you sure?
No one makes. This is like a frosting now. Yeah, more cake.
Why
Can you move your big hands out of the way?
Just 14
What are
years
you
later.
doing?
How do I close this? I should just use Oreos.
Yeah, you should have brought frosting.
Because hot.
It's white.
Oh, that looks better. Yeah. What are you doing?
Norman Kickles.
Okay, wait, bro. I need to say
Look at
that.
my nice hands. Look. My nice nails. You like my nails? I got my nails done.
Cookie cube?
Ew, you're not gonna do that and then
I
put
don't
it.
use my nails.
How are you gonna grab it? Pebble! Here's how the thing looks. It doesn't look really nice and appealing right now, but it will in a few seconds.
It's like shins. You can do
Oh,
it.
this is mota.
This one is too. There's different sizes.
What is it? Guys, after, because my storage is about to be filled up, but after I'm rolling all these, we'll see how.
Jason Derulo.
Bro, shut up! Ew! Listen, I have this huge bag of chocolate chips from Costco.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing. Do we have southern accents?
Uh-oh.
Oh, middle schoolers are ruthless. What the freak did you just do? You don't need to put it into
Oh my
that
god,
long.
I'm
When you
scared.
when you mix it, it comes out good, stupid.
Oh my god, why is it doing that? It's black.
It's chocolate, it melts in your hands. Why the frick would you put it for a minute and 30?
Bro, wait, it's black. There.
क्या जला दी समीना?
What happened? What are you talking about?
They're burning something?
I know.
Yeah, it is burning.
Okay, y'all, this is how it's looking right now. And we just melted the chocolate. I kind of
Why
burned
the heck
it.
would you touch it?
I thought it was cool now.
How stupid are you?
Okay, shut up.
Hey guys, follow me on my Instagram.
No.
She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and them tatas. She that lady, she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let it smoke, man. She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and them tatas. She that lady, she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let it smoke. I like girls that dance, don't hide or move. Not just they friends, but with my dudes. Cause you look so fly, and you look so cute. Can I make you mine? What you wanna do? Yeah.
My truffles are ready now, so let me get them. They look really good. Look at that, guys. Okay, yo, this actually looks really good, and I'm really excited to eat it. So we're gonna do a little test try right here. I feel like a beauty guru. Ready? This is really chewy. Well, these are really good. I did that. Of course.
I did that.
What do you mean you did that? You didn't do anything. You just yelled at me the whole time. They're really chewy. I think they need to be in the fridge a little bit more. They're good. I need water. Oh my god. If you want another video of me baking without my siblings or with my siblings, let me know. Comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me. And follow my Instagram to be a part of future Q&As and things that I'm doing. And follow all my socials. They'll all be linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat. I just hit a mail like a